Hurricane season brings renewed attention to flood insurance. You know, for decades, the flood insurance program has been solely run by the government. But that's starting to change. Brennan explains.
Private insurers are taking the plunge into the turbulent waters of flood insurance. For the first time in 5 decades, companies are underwriting coverage for homes and businesses, marking a potential shift for a marketplace solely run by the government since 1968.
It's a very strong business opportunity. Technology has changed. The industry is much better at measuring risks on flood insurance than they were years ago. And as a result, they're very interested in pursuing that opportunity, so it could grow and grow.
Better tech, but also more favorable regulations. That started in 2012 with the Bigger Waters Act, the last big attempt to reform the federal flood insurance program. House lawmakers are now looking to build on that with 5 bills that would make it easier for insurers to compete, a move that could, at least in theory, bring down rates and prevent more taxpayer losses. It's a more than $3 billion opportunity on 5 million properties, many underpriced or even subsidized, that are covered by the troubled government program.
Right now, because of Hurricane Katrina and Hurricane Sandy and the losses from that, the federal flood insurance program has a deficit of $25 billion to the U.S. Treasury. By contrast, the private insurance market in the United States has $700 billion that, for any risk that's written in private flood insurance, would be available to help pay claims if anything came in.
AIG's Lexington Insurance began offering policies last year. It currently touts 10,000, but expects that to double over the next 12 months. Chubb, Allianz, and Swiss Re have also jumped in. And just this week, HCI announced plans to expand operations beyond Florida to 9 more states. And it isn't the low-risk properties that are even the most attractive. For many insurers, it's the ones that have already experienced big rate hikes, since companies say they can now better compete, offering comparable rates, speedy service, and even more coverage. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Brennan.